Alright, what's up you guys? You already know who it is. It's your boy Floyd here. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a low ponytail a low slick ponytail look. I don't know what they call it. I'm just going to be putting my hair in a ponytail. So the most important part about my ponytail is that I like to have waves in the front. I like to have those waves going. So I'm getting the best of both worlds. I'm getting waves and curls. So I'm going to take a wave brush and I'm just going to brush my hair backwards until my hair starts making some waves. And the Got2b gel really helps out with this. If you don't have the Got2b gel, I don't think this is going to work. But yeah. See, I'm just going to tie this do-rag around my head. I usually do this the day of. I don't do this the night before or anything like that because my curls are gonna dry out in the back. So yeah, I typically like to do this the day of so that my curls are fresh. So as we wait for my hair to set, I'm actually going to cut to a quick commercial break. This is a company called PinchME. Now, PinchME is a service that provides for influencers like me to get free samples of stuff to review on their channel. This month, they sent me a lot of stuff here. As you can see, some brown rice, some blister packs, coffee, eye drops, some body scrub, and they even sent me a fun size pack of Skittles. If you're an influencer like me and would like to receive free stuff, the link will be down in the description below, so go check them out. Now we're back. So this is the finished look right here. You guys can see it from the side and from the front. As you can see, I did change shirts, and that's because I recorded on 2 different days because it was just so hard for me to record a video and capture me actually styling it because I'm always in a rush to like get ready in the morning. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. Say that